Have you ever zoomed in on a website in Chrome, but the zoom reset the next time you open it? In Google Chrome, you can actually save a custom zoom level for specific website. So Chrome will automatically load the site with your preferred zoom every time you visit it. Here's how it works on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Chrome, open the website you want to zoom, tap the three dot in the top right corner, then tap zoom, and then use the slider to zoom in or out. That's it. Chrome will automatically save the zoom level for that site, which means the website will now appear in the save zoom for site list. And the next time you open that site, Chrome will load it using the save zoom level. To remove a save zoom level while you are on Chrome, tap the three dot, then tap setting, scroll down the screen, tap site setting, scroll down the screen, tap save zoom for site. Now tap the trash scan icon next to a site to remove it, or tap delete all to clear the entire list. Once removed, the site will return to its normal default zoom. And that's how you save or remove custom zoom levels for website in Chrome on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.